Hello everyone, I am Soukhin Nayek, 21CS10062. I have made this feedback circuit as my DIY project assignment 2. Feedback circuits are used mainly to reduce unnecessary disturbance noise signals from outside the system. It is also used in multicopter, quadcopter drones where we need a particular speed of rotor at a time. But if the speed of the rotor is less than the desired, then by feedback circuit we can automatically detect that and fix it. Here in the diagram, when the push button is not pressed, then it is a open circuit. When it is a open circuit, then it takes the input as a reference. With the reference there are some disturbance from outside or from signal, electrical disturbance or etc., and then the output signals comes out. This is an open circuit. Here I have used this as my reference. When I move this, my reference value changes. Suppose I want to fix this in half position and this is perpendicular, uh, this is horizontal. Now if I use this as to simulate the reference and to simulate the error, if I do this, then there is a jerk in the servo motor which indicate that there is a disturbance which I want to eliminate, but I cannot as it is an open circuit. But if I created some disturbance and I activate the feedback circuit, now this circuit is taking the input by this pink wire going to A2, and it is detecting the signal with the reference value and measuring the error, and that's how giving the error to the system so that it can be rectified. This is the flowchart of an closed circuit. This is my reference value. When reference value and disturbance go into output, then there is some disturbance which I do not want. So I use feedback circuit here. Feedback circuit measures the output, compares the output with the error reference value and measures the error. Error comes to controller and then it is rectified. Here, let me explain the code which I have used. If digital pin 3 is high, means when I am taking this push button off, then it is an open circuit code. I use this disturbance to measure disturbance and reference value which I, and total input is equals to reference plus disturbance. And I total input I mapped it from 0 to 180 degree and rotate the servo motor to the output degree. And when I activate the push button and and create the feedback circuit, it takes the reference value from this and take the feedback from this pink wire to A2 feedback, and it waits some time and measures the error which is coming, error to feedback minus reference, which becomes the error, and output value becomes uh, feedback minus error which should be eliminated, and that's it range to 0 to 180 and rotate the servo pin to the output degree, and that's how it rotates the servo motor to the desired value which I want. I just on it and it become vertical. Now let me take the code. So as you can see, my code is successfully compiled and it is ready to go. So my code is fine. Thank you.